breath in. All the way out. Just relax it. Very good. There. Okay, let's start with your arms down by your side for me. The other side as well. Start by adjusting right in this mid back, okay? Nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. Great release there. Okay, nice deep breath in. All the way out. So nice deep breath in. All the way out. There you go, one more time. All the way out. Perfect. So I'm going to strap you down. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it. Very good. Very nice. And bend this leg up. Just relax it. Perfect. Hands. Relax it. Perfect. Hand into my hand, please. Just relax the shoulder, okay? Just gonna get my position here. Now just go ahead and drop the head to the left for me. Drop it. Very nice. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. To my hand. Relax that shoulder there. Not giving me full control. Just relax it. Same thing here. Just relax it. Perfect. How'd that feel?
Good.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Nice. Same thing here, okay? Lean back a bit.